everyone. I'm Jonathan Peck. I'm 4 years old.
So Jonathan,
Yep.
you like to do math?
Yes.
So we've been practicing a lot of different math, and I wanted to give you a few problems just to see how far you are in terms of learning different types of math. So I took some questions that I thought you might be able to answer. And you haven't practiced math in a little while, right? It's been a few months.
Yes. So.
You've been doing planets and other things, so...
Yeah, but now let me look at the question.
Okay, so these will be hard for you, Jonathan. You might not be able to answer all of them, so don't get frustrated. Here we go. Okay, let's start at the top.
Okay, so we're going to do 7 times 8. So let me
Okay,
guess.
you can get up.
Let's get 7 times 8 equals 56.
56.
9 times 7 equals 63.
9 times 7 equals 63.
12 times 12 equals 144.
144.
14 times 14 equals 200 something.
Can you figure it out?
289.
289.
81 divided by 9 equals 9.
81 divided by 9 equals
9.
9.
21 divided by 3 equals 7.
21 divided by 3 equals 7.
99 times 99 divided by 11 equals 9.
99 divided by 11 equals 9.
64 divided by 8 equals 8. 6 to the power of 2 is 36.
36. Wow, writing with my left hand doesn't work. Okay.
11 to the second power equals 121.
121.
15 to the second power is 225.
225. Okay.
18 to the power of 2 is 324.
324.
21 to the power of 2 is 441.
441. Okay, next we have bigger exponents and cubed exponents.
What about power of 4? So 4 to the power of 3 equals 64. 7 to the power of 3 is 343.
343.
3 to the power of 4 is 81.
81. So Jonathan, how are you doing these? Did you memorize all these, or are you just figuring them out?
I memorized. Square root of 246 equals 16.
16. So Jonathan, you know all the square roots, right? All the way up to like in the mid-20s.
Yes, no, wrong. 25.
You know all the square roots up to 25?
Yes.
What's 30 times 30?
900.
Yeah, so you know more.
So that's
Okay, well next one, square root of 529. That's a hard one.
22.
22?
No, 23.
23. Okay, we can check them later. That 23 sounds right. Okay, now that's a really big number.
Okay.
Can you name that number?
Let's see. Hundred thousands, millions, billions, trillions, quadrillions, quintillions. 1 quintillion, 941 quadrillion, 749 trillion, 628 billion, 103 million, 468,321.
Okay, that's perfect. And this is algebra. We're solving for A. So you have to figure out what A is. So that's
Squares.
9 divided by 9 divided by A equals 3. What does A equal?
Area is 9.
No. A, you have to figure out what number goes instead of the A. Or this is the way we practiced. We practiced like this without the A, and then you have to figure out what number goes in here. So
9 divided by 3. 9
by what number equals 3?
nothing. This is 9 divided by 3 equals 3.
Yeah, that's the answer. Yeah, I know. I
15 times 15.
15 times 15. Yeah.
Now these are the hardest ones ever.
So this, remember, what is this called? What type of math?
Order of operation.
Yes. And what goes first and what goes last?
Parentheses and then last is the division.
Okay, let's try these.
So this parentheses 4 to the power of 2 equals 16 plus 4 equals 20. Multiplied by 2 is 40. Divided by 10 equals 4.
4. Okay, now this one.
But times 10 equals
No, remember, parentheses first.
10 plus 2 equals 12. Square root of 16 equals 4. And no plus
So Jonathan, let's do this one. What is this?
plus 2 equals 12. 12 plus the
Times 3.
times 3 equals 36.
And then plus square root of 16.
What?
So this was
36 plus square root of 16 equals 40. Divided by 2 plus 2 equals 10.
10. Good job. Okay, now fractions. Can you do the fractions?
Yes, 4 thirds plus the third equals 5 thirds.
Which equals?
5 over 3.
But it also equals something else.
Yes, like 5 thirds.
Okay.
1.5.
What I meant was this equals 3 or equals 1 and 2 thirds. Remember?
Yes,
Okay.
but I just do 5 thirds.
Yeah, that's fine.
1.5 equals 5. So that
Yeah,
means
so this is a 0.5 and this is a 0.25.
so this one is so the 0.5 and the 0.25. This is a 0.5 and the 0.5 if you make this. 0.5 plus 0.5 equals 1. Then add this 4, which is 0.25 is half. So then the answer is 1.5.
Okay, do you want it 0.5 or do you want it 1/2?
0.5.
1.5. Okay, well, you can do it 1.5 also. So do you remember a long time ago we studied perimeter and area?
Yes, I can do the perimeter.
Okay.
2 feet plus 5 feet plus 2 feet plus 5 feet. 2, 7, 9, 14. 14 perimeter.
Do you remember how to do area?
Yes, squares. So
Okay.
this time 8. Or I mean 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 10 squares.
10. And you're right, I forgot to do the measurement, which is just say feet. So it's square feet. Square feet. That's the right way. You're right, Jonathan. Okay, do the next one.
So this one, 8, 8, 3, 3. 8 in inches plus 8 inches is 16 plus 6 inches equals 16, 24. Perimeter, 24 inches or 2 feet.
Is it 8 and 8, 16 plus 6
Yes,
is what?
24.
No,
Wait. 22.
22. Yes.
And area is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 34, 20, 24.
24. And same thing, these are square feet. Okay, so now I just have some questions for you. What is this? What is the speed of light?
Let's see. Aha! 186,280 miles per second.
Per second. And what temperature does water freeze and what temperature does water boil?
Freeze. Water. 32 Fahrenheit Celsius. Freeze. Temperature and boil. Temperature 212 Fahrenheit 100 Celsius.
And you know all the different measurements. These are just some of them, but how many ounces in a gallon?
Well, those are 128.
Do you know how many ounces in a liter?
Almost 100.
How many milliliters in a cup?
236,000.
How many pounds in a ton? How many?
1,000.
Oh, you're right. How many feet in a mile?
Almost 5,000. More than 5,000 something. 5,000. Around 5,000.
How many quarts in a liter? Do you remember that?
Almost 1.
There's more than one.
No, I said almost 1.
Okay, so how many quarts in a liter? It's been a long time since you've learned those. Yeah, we learned all the different measurements to get up to a gallon.
Yeah, like almost 1 and a quarter.
Okay, Jonathan, but you did most of them right. I'm really surprised. I didn't know if you could do all these math. We'll try to change some of these and see if you can do some more later. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. Good job, Jonathan. Can you say bye to everyone?
Bye, everyone. Bye, everyone.